Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of the SAFI webinar series. In this video, we are going to have an overview of members. Members are structural objects used to model beams, columns, braces, and truss elements in planar and 3D systems. They are straight lines which connect to nodes. Multiple straight segments may be used to model curved members. We can also model vari-inertia sections using members. We can create members graphically by drawing a window over the grid lines or using a numerical table. Without further ado, let's start our demo. To create a member, we use the command add a member. If we have a grid already created, we can simply select the intersection of two grid lines. So, the first click will correspond to the first joint I, and the second click will correspond to the second joint J. To deactivate the Add Member command, we click on the Escape key. It is also possible to create members if we have joints without the need of a grid. For example, if I have two joints, I can hide the grid using this parameter. And then I can use the command Add a Member, and I click on the two joints to create the member. Another option to create members is using a window. So, we click on the Add Member. Since we have a grid, it is possible to draw a window on screen and all the intersections of the grid lines will create members. Now, if we want to delete a member, we can use the command Delete a Member, which allows the user to delete one member at a time. Another way to delete members is using the Selection command. So, we can select the members using the Selection command, and then press the key Delete. In this case, we deleted everything in the selection. Either it is joints, members, plates, or any other elements in the model. It is also possible to create members using tables. To do so, we use the menu Tables, and we select Members. In this numerical table, each row corresponds to a member. So, to create a new member, we add a new row using the down arrow key. We assign a member ID, and we assign the joint ID at the start and at the end. So, the joint I and the joint J. So in this case, for example, let's select joints I2 and joint J3. Then we click OK to validate. And we can see the new member that we just created. We can also edit members or delete them from the table. If I go back to the menu Tables and then select Members, I can do other operations, including adding new members, editing existing members, or deleting members. If I want to delete the member number 1 that I just created, I select the row and then I press on Delete the selected row button, or I can use the Delete key on the keyboard. To edit a member, we use the command Edit Member. The shortcut for this command is the key M. When we activate this command, we see the internal axes of the member, and the member is displayed using an orange color. When we click on the member that we want to edit, the Member Attributes dialog box will appear. From this dialog box, the user can specify different attributes of the member, including sections and releases, hinges, section rotation angle, offsets, deflections, and other parameters. In addition, the user can edit other parameters related to the application. For example, for the GSE application, the user can edit the steel parameters, composite parameters, aluminum parameters, concrete parameters, and wood parameters. To edit a selection of members, we need to select the members first. Then we use the command Member Attributes. In this case, any addition to the member attributes will affect the selected members. That's it for this video about members. Thank you for watching and catch you in another one of our webinar series videos.